Another rainy day. Looks like I won't be skateboarding or riding my dirt bike anytime soon.
Wow, it's really coming down out there. Looks like you're gonna be stuck inside most of the day. You got any big plans to keep yourself busy?
Well, you're looking at it.
I mean, well, you do have like 1,001 toys, a bunch of video games. Oh, and one brother that can keep you entertained all afternoon.
That is the most mom thing I've ever heard you say.
Well, I'm not exactly sure what that's supposed to mean, but anyway. Hey, have you seen this weird broom trick everybody's doing?
Oh, the one where it bounces all by itself?
Yeah, do you think it really works?
I don't know, a couple of my friends did it and they said it worked, so.
Really? You should test it out since we don't have anything better to do.
Well, don't believe everything you see on the internet. Remember?
Well, you said some of your friends tried it and it worked.
Sometimes your friends like to exaggerate the truth. And if I didn't see it, it didn't happen.
Fine, I'll go get the broom myself then. That's the broom. All right, got the broom. Here you go, come try it.
Seriously, Mom, this is ridiculous.
What? I just want to see if it really works.
OMG, fine. Huh, I guess those videos are real.
That is so weird. Hey, I got an idea. Let's try something else.
What are you talking about?
Be right back. Now try this.
Okay. All right, this one doesn't work.
Yeah, I was pretty sure that one wasn't gonna work. But speaking of work, since you're already down there and you have the broom and the dustpan, why don't you sweep for me? Thanks.
Mom, I don't have the time right now.
Looks like it's still raining outside. You have plenty of time to me.
Wait, Mom, what do I make this more interesting?
What do you mean by more interesting, exactly?
Give me 30 seconds. Go wait on the couch, then I'll show you.
Okay, but I know your tricks. 30 seconds, and you better be back.
Yes, all right. Take this. Okay, so you want me to sweep, right?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure we established that already.
How about I throw mopping into the mix too?
Whoa. Are you feeling okay?
Mom. If you can hit these cups, I will gladly sweep and then mop.
So you're telling me you'll do that if I hit one of those cups in 3 shots with that blaster?
That is exactly what I'm saying.
Oh, this is game on.
But wait. I also get a chance to hit the cups. And if I hit one, you take my turn for doing the dishes after dinner tonight. Still game on?
Set them up.
The stage has been set. One man, one mother. The stakes couldn't be higher. With chores on the line, can our hero be victorious? Well, ladies first.
I think I should be able to choose my own blaster. I mean, it only seems fair considering the stakes are so high.
I'm okay with that.
Be right back.
All right.
Way too big. Too heavy.
This marker's drying out. I need a new marker.
Onward! Let's roll this tank to the living room.
Uh-oh, enemy spotted. Oh, I wonder what she's up to.
Can't aim with this one. Way too many darts at once. Aha! Here we go. I can definitely win with this one.
I see what's happening here. I caught Mom trying to sneak attack us. Nice try, Mom, but you're no match for the pros. When you need a blaster, you need a blaster. Aha, got you now.
Fire! Hold, Jeffrey! What was that for?
I saw you in there trying to pick your blaster to battle us.
I was not. I was picking one to use with your brother. Thank you very much.
Strange, I don't seem to see him anywhere.
I swear he was just out here. I don't know what. Wait a minute. Ethan was trying to trick me so that you could both sneak attack me. Ugh, and I totally fell for it.
You asked for it now!
You can't hide in there forever.
Yes, I can.
Show your face.
I don't want to. You.
Oh, yeah? Oh, no. I gotta reload.
Hey, one more cup.
I'm gonna get you. You can't hide in there.
Only for 5 seconds, and they're already making runs.
Come here.
Just give up already. We both know how this is gonna end.
Mom, 2 against 1 are very good odds.
Oh, so weird. You disappear and I come back to find him laughing at me.
Oh! I didn't drop his mask! You did! I have no idea what you guys are talking about. Oh, Jagger, he's done!
Wait, boys, this really isn't how you want to spend your lazy Sunday afternoon, is it? I mean, this is exhausting.
Well, you didn't seem too concerned about lazy Sunday when you tried to trick me to sleep.
I have no idea what he's talking about, but yeah!
It wasn't supposed to be a trick. I just really wanted to see if it worked, okay? I give up. I surrender. You're the sneakiest.
That's right, we are.
But, for the record, I am the grown-up, and I can't just tell you to sweep. I don't have to trick you. So, I think we've all learned a valuable lesson here.
And we wasted time till the rain stopped. Look, now the sun's out.
Sweet, I thought the rain would never stop.
My dirt bike and all that mud has my name written all over it. Let's go. Good game, Mom. That was fun.
Better luck next time.
Wait, boys! What about all these darts? Gotta love rainy days.
Where's your weakness from?
Conrad and Owen.
Hey, I used that white blaster in this video.
Ow! They're from Michigan. It's probably freezing there.
Yeah, and
Get it out of here.
nice arsenal, guys.
Thanks for your picture, Owen and Conrad. New hats from the Extreme Toys store.
Check out our Instagram pages.
And we'll see you all next time.
Say bye, Willow. Say bye, Vicious Willow.